Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Are you sitting for the August SAT? Do you want to score your personal best in the math section? Then stay with me because in this video I will show you how just the right kind of practice can turn you into SAT Math Pro. Now imagine you are walking into exam hall, opening the test booklet and smiling because every question look familiar. That's not magic. It's a practice done the right way. And today I will guide you on exactly how to do this. Now the question number 1 is, if x minus 1 by 3 equals k and k equals 3, what is the value of x? We will solve this question just by the substitution method. Put k value 3 in this equation and get the answer. So x minus 1 by 3, that is equal k equals 3. So we get x minus 1 equals 3 into 3, that is 9. So x equals 9 plus 1, then x equals 10. So this will be the answer. So you can easily check your answer. For verification, just substitute value of x in this equation and get right hand side equals left hand side or not. So 10 minus 1 by 3, that will be equals 9 by 3, that equals 3. It's mean left hand side equals right hand side. This shows that we have find correct value of x. Now we will do question number 2. Now question number 2 is, on Saturday afternoon, a person sent m text messages each or for 5 hours, and similarly another person sent n messages each or for 4 hours. Now represent total number of messages. So we will solve this question in a very easy and simple way. First of all, we will write first person sent text, that is equals 5 m, and second person we will get second person sent text equals 4n. So total will be equal sum of both, that will be 5m plus 4n. So this will be the final answer. Now we will solve question number 3. Now the question number 3 is for iota equals square root minus 1. What is the sum of What is the sum of 7 plus 3 iota plus minus 8 plus 9 iota? So we will solve this as the basic concept of addition of real part and imaginary part. We can add only real part in real part and imaginary part in the imaginary part. So we will get 7 minus 8 plus 3 iota plus 9 iota. So this will become plus minus minus, and we will use the sign of the larger quantity. So it will become minus 1, and 3 plus 9 is 12. So minus 1 plus 12 iota. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve question number 4. Now we have if a by b equals 2, what is the value of four b by a? So we will solve this question as we have a by b equals 2, which implies that b by a equals 1 over 2, and we have to find the value of 4b by a. It's mean take 4 as common and we have b by a. Now we know that b by a equals half, so substitute this value. So it will become 2. So 2 will be the right answer. Now we will solve next question. Now the next question is 3x plus 4y equals minus 23, and you have 2y minus x equals minus 19. Find the value of x and y. So it depends upon you if you apply substitution method or elimination method. So we will take this equation as 1 and this as 2. Now from equation 1, first we will consider the equation 2. From equation 2, we get 2y minus x equals minus 19. If we want to get the value of x, so x will be equals 2y plus 19. So substitute this value in 1. Put x value in equation 1. So 3 into 2y plus 19 plus 4y equals minus 23. So we will solve this further and get 3 into 2y plus 19 plus 4y equals minus 23. Now 6y plus 3 into 19, 57 plus 4y equals minus 23. So 10y equals 57 minus 23 minus 57 minus 23. So by adding you will get 80 minus 80, 10y. So y equals minus 80 by 10, that will be minus 8. So you get the pair minus 8 for y. Now put the value in x to get the answer. So x equals 2 into y is minus 8 plus 19. So this will be minus 16 plus 19, that will be 3. So you get the pair xy, that will be 3 and minus 8. So this will be the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe MathSolver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve most important predicted question. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.